If you're using GetResponse but your emails keep landing in spam, your authentication might not be set up correctly. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to authenticate your email in GetResponse so you can improve deliverability, avoid spam folders, and get better results. And stick around, because at the end, I'll share an exclusive free trial to a better alternative if you're looking for even stronger email marketing performance. Alright, let's get into it. First, head over to GetResponse and go to Email Authentication under Domains. If you haven't already added your sending domain, you need to do that first. This is critical. Without it, your emails look suspicious to inbox providers. Next, you'll see options for DKIM, SPF, and MARC. These are the three authentication protocols you need to set up. DKIM helps prove your emails are legitimate, SPF tells email providers which servers can send on your behalf, and MARC ensures everything is working correctly. For DKIM, click Generate DKIM Record. GetResponse will give you a TXT record that you need to add to your domain's DNS settings. Go to your domain provider, whether that's GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Cloudflare, and paste it into your DNS settings. This step is non-negotiable if you want maximum deliverability. Now for SPF. GetResponse used to include SPF by default, but if you're using your own domain, you might need to manually add their SPF record. Again, this goes into your domain's TXT records. If you already have an SPF record from another provider, you have to merge them, otherwise your email could still fail authentication. Finally, MARC. This one is optional but highly recommended. It gives you control over what happens when authentication fails. If you want to be safe, use a p=none policy at first, so you can monitor without blocking emails. Once you're confident everything is working, you can tighten it up. After adding these records, go back to GetResponse and verify them. DNS changes can take some time to update, so be patient. Once everything is green, your email authentication is set up, and you should see an improvement in deliverability. Now, here's where things get interesting. While GetResponse is solid, it's not the best when it comes to advanced deliverability tools or automation. If you want a more powerful email marketing platform with better automation, higher inbox rates, and an extended free trial, I've linked the best options below. These aren't just random alternatives, they're actually better for improving email deliverability and automation. Through our link, you'll get the best deal, extra benefits, and an exclusive extended trial that's not available anywhere else. So check that out, and I'll see you in the next video.